Well, Delhi's new Chief Minister has hit the ground running as she announced the first set of directions for the city. One of the key promises is to implement the Ayushman Bharat scheme, a nationwide health insurance program aimed at providing affordable healthcare to economically vulnerable families. In addition to this, the Chief Minister has also vowed to table CAG reports, ensuring transparency and accountability in governance. The cabinet portfolios have been announced, with Ashish Sood getting the plum portfolios and becoming the new Delhi Home Minister. Other key appointments include Kapil Mishra, who's got law, irrigation. Parvesh Verma, I beg your pardon, gets irrigation. He'll be handling 5 portfolios. Manjinder Sirsa is the Industries Minister. Pankaj Kumar Singh is the Health Minister. And Ravinder Singh is the Social Welfare Minister.
आयुष्मान योजना जो इससे पहले की सरकार ने रोक रखी थी योजना, हमने अपनी ओर से आयुष्मान योजना दिल्ली में जो टॉप अप के साथ 5 लाख का टॉप अप जो हम दिल्ली सरकार की ओर से देंगे और 5 लाख रुपए केंद्र सरकार की ओर से दिया जाएगा, उसे सर्वसम्मति से पारित किया है, जो कि अपनी फॉर्मेलिटीज के बाद एज अर्लीस्ट लागू किया जाएगा। कैग की रिपोर्ट्स 14 रिपोर्ट्स पेंडिंग हैं, जो कि पिछली सरकार ने टेबल नहीं की। पहला ही हाउस जो होगा उसमें उन रिपोर्ट्स को पेश किया जाएगा। आज की कैबिनेट में ये भी पास किया गया है।
The very first cabinet meeting of this newly formed government is finally over, and joining us right now is the Cabinet Minister Manjinder Singh Sirsa with us. Sir, a very crucial cabinet meeting. What decisions have been taken?
So the two important decisions has been taken. One is implementation of Ayushman Bharat in Delhi, and second was the CAG report has to be tabled in the first session of Vidhan Sabha, and there are 14 such reports which have not been tabled yet, and few of them are very important. For reason being, there is involvement of mismanagement. So that are performance-based reports where the supply of liquor was involved. So we are sure that this reports will lead to kind of corruption cases also. For that was the reason that they have tried to serve these reports.
So was discussion also held on the Mahila Samriddhi Yojana as you had promised in your manifesto?
Yes, we did discuss it, and its implementation, the planning of that implementation has been given, and we are very soon we're going to implement that also.
So my final question to you is the portfolios have been distributed. You've got one rather challenging portfolio of environment. How do you see it, sir? Because pollution has been, a very big threat rather for the people of Delhi.
Definitely it is. We'll work day and night. It is not just about the allocation of portfolios. It's a teamwork. And with the blessings of our Chief Minister and our Prime Minister, we'll be able to achieve it. And we are sure that this time you will see a lot of difference between the last couple of years and in this year.
Well, today, in fact, the very first cabinet meeting of the newly formed government took place today at the Secretariat, and as we were expecting, some important decisions have certainly come out of this meeting. Now, after the meeting got over, it was the Chief Minister Rekha Gupta who in fact addressed this cabinet briefing and said that the cabinet in fact has passed this decision that in fact the Ayushman Bharat Yojana will be implemented in Delhi. Now remember that this had been one of the promises that the BJP had made in the manifesto, and that certainly, they are saying that they are going to go forward with it. The Ayushman Bharat scheme is finally going to be implemented here in the national capital. Now Rekha Gupta did say that the formalities are going to take time. They have fulfilled the formalities, but because of the previous government's litigation also in the court, it will take some time, but after that it will be in fact implemented here in the national capital. Now, another decision, important decision that was taken was on those 14 CAG reports, to be precise, as to, it has been decided in the cabinet that those 14 CAG reports will finally be tabled in the very first House meeting, in the very first Assembly session that will be called.